Are you tired of feeling stuck in a rut, surrounded by negativity and obstacles at every turn? Do you long for a life filled with positivity, success, and abundance? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving deep into the transformative power of your home environment. Buckle up as we uncover the ancient secrets and modern science behind creating a sanctuary that attracts nothing but good vibes and endless opportunities. Welcome, my friends, to a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. In a world where chaos and uncertainty often reign, our homes serve as the anchor for our souls, the sanctuary where we recharge our spirits and manifest our deepest desires. But what if I told you that your home holds the key to unlocking a life of unparalleled fulfillment and abundance? Today, we're not just redecorating or decluttering. We're embarking on a profound quest to harness the energy within and around us to create a space that radiates positivity and prosperity. From ancient wisdom passed down through the ages to cutting-edge scientific discoveries, we'll explore the intricate web of connections between our thoughts, our environment, and the universe itself. Join me as we journey into the heart of Feng Shui, the art of harmonizing our surroundings to optimize the flow of energy. But this isn't just about rearranging furniture or hanging up a few plants. This is about tapping into the universal forces that shape our reality and consciously co-creating the life we desire. So, whether you're a skeptic seeking answers or a believer ready to deepen your understanding, get ready to be inspired, enlightened, and empowered. Because today, we're not just transforming our homes, we're transforming our lives. Get ready to unlock the secrets of abundance and step into a future filled with limitless possibilities. Luck, often perceived as a mysterious force beyond our control, is actually intricately connected to the energy we emit through our thoughts and emotions. This concept is rooted in the understanding that the universe responds to the vibrations we radiate, attracting experiences and outcomes that align with our predominant energy. Negative thoughts and emotions act as magnets for unfavorable events, creating a cycle of misfortune, while positive thoughts and emotions draw in blessings and opportunities, paving the way for success and fulfillment. By recognizing the power of our own energy, we gain agency over our lives, shaping our reality through intentional thought and action. Feng Shui, an ancient Chinese practice, teaches us that our external environment reflects and influences our internal state. The arrangement and organization of our living spaces play a crucial role in shaping the flow of energy, known as Qi, throughout our homes. By creating a harmonious environment, we can enhance the circulation of positive energy and remove obstacles that may hinder our progress. For instance, the entrance to our home serves as the gateway for energy to enter and circulate throughout the space. A clutter-free and welcoming entrance not only invites positive energy, but also sets the tone for a harmonious living environment. Similarly, incorporating elements of nature, such as plants and flowing water, can further amplify the positive energy within our homes, fostering a sense of vitality and balance. The arrangement of furniture within our homes can significantly impact the flow of energy and our overall sense of well-being. Circular or semicircular furniture layouts promote the smooth circulation of energy, preventing stagnation and fostering a sense of openness and connectivity. Additionally, incorporating natural elements, such as real plants and flowing water features, can introduce vitalizing energy into our living spaces. Plants, particularly those with vibrant foliage, not only purify the air, but also symbolize growth, abundance, and renewal. Similarly, the presence of flowing water, whether in the form of indoor fountains or cascading water features, can create a soothing and rejuvenating atmosphere, encouraging the flow of positive energy throughout our homes. Symbolism plays a powerful role in shaping the energetic landscape of our homes, as certain objects and symbols carry potent meanings and associations. For example, bamboo is revered for its resilience, flexibility, and rapid growth, symbolizing prosperity and abundance in many cultures. By incorporating bamboo into our living spaces, we can evoke feelings of resilience and growth, attracting prosperity and success into our lives. Similarly, elephants are often regarded as symbols of wisdom, strength, and good fortune, particularly when depicted with their trunks raised high. By surrounding ourselves with symbols that resonate with our intentions and aspirations, we can amplify the positive energy within our homes and align ourselves with the abundance of the universe. Additionally, practicing intentional actions, such as closing the toilet lid and bathroom door to preserve the flow of energy, demonstrates our respect for the energetic balance within our homes and reinforces our connection to the universal forces that govern our lives. At its core, the practice of harmonizing our surroundings is grounded in the recognition of the interconnectedness of all things. Just as every thought, emotion, and action sends ripples through the fabric of existence, so too does the energy within our homes reverberate throughout the universe. By aligning ourselves with the abundant energy that permeates all of creation, we become co-creators of our reality, shaping our lives in harmony with the universal flow. Through the thoughtful integration of ancient wisdom and modern insights, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, unlocking the boundless potential that lies within us and the world around us. In essence, by consciously cultivating a harmonious environment, we not only transform our homes, but also empower ourselves to manifest our deepest desires and aspirations. Through the thoughtful integration of ancient wisdom and modern insights, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, unlocking the boundless potential that lies within us and the world around us. As we conclude our exploration into the transformative power of harmonizing our surroundings, I encourage you to reflect on the profound insights we've uncovered. Remember that your home is not just a physical space, but a reflection of your innermost thoughts, emotions, and aspirations. By intentionally shaping your environment to align with your highest intentions, you become a conscious co-creator of your reality, harnessing the boundless energy of the universe to manifest abundance, joy, and fulfillment in your life. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment, may you find inspiration in the ancient wisdom of Feng Shui and the timeless principles of energy flow. Let every decision you make, from the arrangement of furniture to the incorporation of symbolic elements, be guided by a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all things and a profound reverence for the energy that sustains us all. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. May your home be a sanctuary of positivity, a beacon of light in a world filled with endless possibilities. Until we meet again, may you continue to shine brightly and live each day with intention, purpose, and abundance.